What's up, Pappy? We're gonna take y'all with us today. Alright, I'm gonna take you guys with me today. We're gonna go to the dealership, go check out what we need to do for the new Z06. Oh yeah. Yo, what is up, YouTube? Kill Cam. Today we're taking out the Victory Gunner. We got some important news. As you can tell, there's not a car in the garage. We have to talk about that today. Before you click away, I have good plans. I think you'll like it. But yeah, this sucks. Oil, race car. Where's the race car? Extra tires. Still have the BMW, but the race car is gone. Oh man. Let's go ride the Gunner. See if you guys know about this. The old kid trick. Oh yeah, we still got it. So I guess I have some explaining to do. As you guys know or didn't know, I used to have a Camaro Zl1 1Le track package in that garage. I no longer have that car, and before you dislike this video or roast me in the comment section, hear me out, okay? Just like every guy in America the other day saw the new C8 ZO6 reveal, that absolutely hurt my feelings. When I was looking at that ZL1, I was driving that ZL1, it was everything I wanted in a car, a track car, whatever you wanted to do with it, it could do. But when that reveal came out, I honestly didn't want to like it more than the ZL1, but I did. I wanted to see if I can go get one of those cars. So the first thing you have to do is obviously get rid of the sports car that I had, which was the ZL1, the Track Monster Ghost. Absolute unit of a car. I can't say that enough. But that's what I had to do. I'm not one of those YouTubers yet where I can spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on cars just to wrap them, put rims on them, exhaust, say how awesome it is, and then sell it to go get the newest thing. I'm not one of those. I'm your average Joe. I work hard for my stuff. I have to finance my stuff normally. I'm just like you. I'm basically am you, okay? Think of the plus sides of getting rid of this car. No big car payment on a sports car that I can't drive every day because I live very, very far from my work. No high insurance payment because of my driving history and my age of 25, 26. And there's a Camaro right there flying. And then you also don't have that giant gas bill because I was driving that car. I purchased that car with 4,000 miles. I sold it with 16,000 miles. I only had it 6 or 7 months, so just quick math there, that's 2,000 miles a month. That is crazy. And for that car to take premium gas, and with gas prices right now, that thing was just sucking gas down as fast as I could pump it in. Get a C8 allocation. I'm currently on 3 different lists. On a small store, I'm number 2. On a bigger store that's apparently getting 10 to 15 of them, I'm number 22. And at the dealership where I sold the ZL1, I'm just on the list somewhere. We haven't figured that out yet. Their list is maxed out. I'm on the 2nd page somewhere, maybe even the 3rd page. So really, I'm on 3 different lists. There's no guarantee that I even get this car. But when I see something that I like more than what I have, I like the chase more than the end result. That ZL1, you can probably quote me on this. I will get another one before I die. I mean, that car was just phenomenal. And if I don't love that Z06, what I think is going to be really awesome, even though I'm going to have to wait a good chunk of time, is being able to pick your paint color, your seats, your wheels, the caliper color, your carbon package, just everything that you want, you get to build through Chevy. Yes, it's going to take time. Yes, it's going to cost a good chunk of money. I'm aware of all of this. But just imagine having the C8 ZO6 track package and actually tracking the thing. That's what we're going for. And the whole reason behind dumping the ZL1 is I bought it before this. You can tell the used car market is going nuts right now, or it's kind of coming back down a little bit. I bought the car before the market was going crazy like that. So really, I got my money back that I put down. I used it for 6 months. I drove the heck out of it, took it to the mountains, tracked it twice. Really just loved the car. And then I got my money back. It's quite simple. I didn't lose. I didn't take an L. I set someone up with a nice rotofab and a nice full exhaust Corsa system. And it just is what it is. We're on to the next thing. But in the meantime, I'm not going to go buy anything just to settle. I'm not the settling type. I've learned that settling doesn't make you happy. And in the meantime, for the year, 12 months, 15 months, however long it takes, I'm just going to be investing and saving. And my credit score is going to go through the roof. Without that giant car on my history or on my credit, it's going to look absolutely amazing. My overhead drops substantially. And it was a smart play. Long-term, great play. Short-term, it sucks. To be transparent with you, the other day after I took it to the track, I needed an alignment. I took it to the shop. I actually asked to drive it into the bay. They said yes. After I pull it into the bay, they go, you know we gotta take this thing for a test drive. And they kind of smiled, and I go, huh, no chance. So I backed the thing out. That is how much I love this thing. And when I was doing the paperwork, I mean, this is a week ago, signing that car back to a Chevy dealership was probably the hardest thing I've had to do in a while. Besides, like, imagine your worst breakup. That's how it felt. For those of you that watch my videos and we're like, oh my god, that ZL1 is sick, I absolutely 1,000,000% agree with you. Car guys or bike guys, you understand this. When you get rid of one of your vehicles, it's not fun. Well, this is my victory gunner. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna have still a bunch of motorcycle content. I'm in South Carolina, so it doesn't get super cold, so I can still ride. Well, this is my victory gunner. I've had this thing for years now. And like I said, I am not getting rid of the gunner, so you don't have to worry about that. To be transparent with you, $1,300 a month is what it was coming to. Payment, insurance, gas, etc., track fees, everything was about $1,300 a month. And just think, I'm saving that every single month in the market, crypto, whatever. I don't know if you guys are into that. That's just something I've always loved to do. And that car was stunning my growth. It was killing my overhead. It was great. But I jumped the gun too early. I didn't think a 25-year-old needed a ZL1, because like I said, I'm your average Joe. I still go to my regular job. I'm off 2 days a week, just like you. I'm not at that level of having a $1,300 car expense a month. That doesn't make too much sense when you haven't, in my mind, I haven't fulfilled everything I've wanted to do. Going into this C8 build is my credit's going to be phenomenal. My cash in hand is going to be phenomenal if I even need to use it. My interest rate is going to be much lower than what I had on the ZL1. It was just a win, except for I don't have it in the garage, and that sucks. But for those of you that listen to this video and kind of understand where I'm coming from, it makes sense long term. It's really cool to see. I'm really excited and motivated again to see how far I can push myself in the market and crypto, and I'm just super excited. I didn't realize before I got the house and got married, I was investing a lot. I was waking up early. I wasn't a day trader by any means. I call myself kind of like a swing trader, but I really enjoyed waking up early, reading the articles, seeing what the market was doing, seeing what crypto was doing. And I didn't realize how much I loved it until my expenses got higher. I was paying for a wedding and I didn't have that much extra income as of what I was having before all of that. So what's nice now is with that extra car, with that car being gone, my cash in hand increases dramatically. Those of you that have been watching me over the years, you've seen the progression, and this is no backwards move at all. Let's get a little daily 100 for you guys. A little she is. Little daily 100 for the boys. I told myself I was going to tone it down. I've been just ripping on this S1000 on these back roads, and I watch these videos and I'm like, man, I need to tone it down, but on that bike I cannot. So that's why the gunner started up today on this battery that probably needs a charge, but she started right up. So that was a real easy choice. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the channel, and I know you love the car. Believe me, I did too. Like I said, there's still a possibility that I don't get allocation of the C8, and then we have an open playing field. Probably within a 12-month span, we'll know what the next track car, race car I'm going to get. It could be a ZL1 1Le last year edition, because they're going to stop those soon. It could be a C8 ZO6. I was looking at a GT Super Snake. I mean, the spectrum could be anything. Let me know what you guys would get if I do get allocation on the C8 ZO6. I'm obviously going to keep you updated. What color would you pick on the C8? You guys let me know. Y'all take it easy. Thanks for listening to me. I'll see y'all next time. Kill Cam out.